Okay!
Napakasaya.
Guest starring natin si Superboy Kunyan.
Ano?
Ha?
Wala.
Okay. Guest starring natin si Superboy Ku sa performance natin. Sa tingin ko, tapos na yung acting ano natin.
Acting workshop
acting
namin.
oras natin. Baka Superboy Ku, gusto mo gisingin yung dalawang ano natin.
At meron tayong eating contest naman ngayon. Tamang-tama, umaga. Eating contest for the day.
Baka bago yan lahat, baka nung hinihintay pa natin sila na bumalik,
kakanta muna kami.
Kakanta muna kami.
I hear you taking the time again.
Okay, upo.
Having a good time with all your good time friends. I don't think that you think of me. You're all in your now.
Intermission, go.
And I'm alone and free. I know that I ought to find someone, but all I find is myself, always thinking about you. As long as the star shines out from the heavens, long as the river runs to the sea, I'll never get over you getting over me. Oh, no matter what I do.
Okay, continue mo lang.
Is this a lifetime to live through? I can't go on like this.
Okay na daw yung plaster nila? Ay, yung maskara nila?
You're the only one I ever love.
Okay.
And long as the star shines out from heaven, long as the river runs to the sea, I'll never get over you getting over me.
It's,
okay.
How many hours do you need? Para sa ano? We finish the whole
bigay ka
acting.
ng mga kantang pwede natin kantahin.
Para sa dry to
Okay.
dry.
Audience, nag-enjoy ba kayo? Sa acting. Binigising na sila, no? Umaga na po! At meron naka 30... Oo, naka 20 hours na kata tayo, no?
Ha?
Wala
2 hours.
18.
18 hours.
18 hours na kami.